Hi everyone, this is Janet Wakeland with RemARKably Created, and I'm here to extend an invitation for you to join me in my quarterly virtual crafting retreat. We call these crafting mingles because we get together and we mingle and we have a lot of fun, and it is something that you do virtually from the comfort of your home. A little bit about the retreat: it is hosted in a private Facebook group, giving you unlimited lifetime access so that you can view all of the presentations, follow the videos for the make and takes, download the PDFs from the comfort of your own home in the time zone when it works best for you, okay? So I'm going to give you just a small sneak peek of some of the things that will be in your Mingle box, and then we'll talk about the pricing and what else you can expect from our crafting mingles. So first off, we're going to focus on pastels during this crafting mingle. I think that they're an unutilized product, tool, way to color and create in the Stampin' Up! Arsenal. So you're going to receive a set of the soft pastels. You're going to receive a packet that includes a blender pen, some really cool cosmetic, real dense Q-tips that you're going to find just ideal for coloring and working with the pastels. You're going to get some daubers. You're going to get a whole bunch of cardstock quarter sheets, as well as some fluid water paper. That way you can practice. I'm going to teach you 15 plus ways to use these pastels. So you're going to use them, you're going to have them to practice, and you'll also then be able to incorporate them into the make and takes. The pastels, if you're not familiar with them, let me see if I can, this is a brand new one, so let me get the little piece off of it. Yours will be brand new as well. Okay, there we go. So you've got these beautiful pastels. They're nicely packed in sponging, and they are Stampin' Up! Colors. So we're going to give you lots of tips for working with those. In addition, you'll find packets for 10 make and takes. All of your make and takes will include envelopes, and they will all utilize new January 2025 releases. And you're also going to have some different games in here. You're going to have some really fun special gifts in here, some other little treats and things like that as well. The only things that you need to complete, and actually one of the other things that will be part of this kit, is you're going to have half a pack of the new ephemera greetings, so that if you don't have greeting stamps or anything like that, you'll actually be able to complete the projects with these greetings. The only things that you need to complete the make and takes on your own would be a basic black stamp, assorted adhesives, and then any assorted greetings that you want to complete that. Other than that, all of the images as far as that are used on cards, we do utilize die cuts, we do utilize ephemera to create our projects and things like that, to make it easy for those of you to not worry about, do I have this stamp set, don't I have that stamp set. I may also suggest some alternative ideas and things using stamp sets that you might have. But in keeping with Stampin' Up! Policy, there will be no stamped images in the kit. That's just a policy by Stampin' Up! That we need to follow. But again, this box is going to be full. Usually we have a very hard time closing this box, but you're going to get, again, the pastels, all of the fun supplies to practice the 15 plus techniques, the half pack of the ephemera. You're going to get supplies for 10 make and takes. You're going to get some game card pieces, some other really cool gifts. I have something really fun that I found, very unique tool for crafters that is going to be in this box. In addition, the $50 cost for the retreat includes tax and shipping. It's also going to include that access to the retreat on your time. It does kick off on January 25th, and I'll be posting all day on the 25th and the 26th. So that will be happening over those 2 days. And it also includes the ability to win prizes. I love to give away lots and lots of prizes. So this box is available to those of you living in the US. Our Remarkable Crafty Retreat with swag is, again, available in the US. However, no matter where you live, And if you simply just want to watch, if you just simply want to see what the retreat is about, or if you simply say, well, you know, I have a lot of stamp supplies, or I have the pastels, I really just want to come learn, then there's a $10 option just for viewing and joining us. It does make you eligible to download the PDFs, watch all of the videos, and it does make you eligible for prizes as well. So details are up above in the description of this video, and I can't wait to continue filling this box. Of course, it's not as full as it could be because I won't be ordering some of the product for it until January 7th. Details on when the boxes will mail and all of that will be in my newsletter that's going out tomorrow. Thanks, guys.